I found this really cool Audio Slave shirt online, so I bought it, and I'm pretty sure it's a child size. I'm mad. So, remember the bag that we made for the outfit video? Pretty much as soon as I finished that bag, I wanted to make more of them. The problem with that is that I thrifted that bag. So there was no real way for me to get multiples of that bag, which kind of sucks. But I decided to look online and see what else I could find, and I found these. They're little backpacks with ears. Yep. So there's 2 bears and a bunny. I've decided to start with the bunny backpack because it's kind of my favorite. But these little zipper pulls are super ugly, so I'm gonna replace those. There's a lot more space in here than I thought there would be. Now it's time to figure out the face. I'm having a hard time deciding which eyeballs to use. I like these the most, but they've got a couple scratches, so I'm gonna have to fix that if these are the ones I go with. Also got a couple choices for noses. There's this little one, and then this big one. I originally bought the big noses for the bear backpacks, but I kind of like it for this one. He needs a big tooth. Oh, maybe that's too big. Eyebrows? Yeah, I think I want to go with those eyes and a smaller tooth. Now we've got to decide on a zipper pull. We've got these little macaron hearts. We've got these little popsicles. I think we're gonna go with these. Just gonna clamp those on. All right. So you may notice
there's a hole in this cake.
And that's because I need to be able to get into the back of the backpack to sew this on and hide the seams. So I'm just gonna stitch everything in, and then I'm gonna sew the lining back on. Go ahead and pop that nose on. Yeah, I really like the bigger nose. Yeah, I think that was the right choice. Now it's time to stitch up the back. Can't even tell. And to fix the scratches on the pupils... Okay, so I thought I was done with that backpack, but I think he needs a bow tie. Too shiny. I like the color, but I think it's a little bit big. It's smaller, but somehow less good. There we go. Just gonna glue that on. There we go. Now for this one, I think this little rubber zipper pull needs to go. Yeah. I think we're gonna use the moon for this one. His little ears won't stay. And for some reason, this one has 2 zipper pulls in the back, so we're just gonna use these little spaceships. Now, even though the bow was too shiny for the other backpack, I feel like it kind of works for this one. Need some little cheek poofs, a nose, maybe not those eyes. I think that works because it's kind of like he's sleeping. I don't know. Cut the lining again, and for some reason there's foam in this one. Just gonna stitch everything up. Snap on the nose. Give him some eyebrows. And stitch that back together. And there's that one. Now you may notice that this is not the other bear backpack, and that is because I forgot I also ordered this one. And I kind of would rather do this one. First we gotta get rid of all the zipper pulls, cause, you know, ugly. I bought these obnoxiously large mermaid tails thinking that I could use them for some embroidery hoops, and I kind of feel like it would work for this. Maybe you can guess what the plan is for this. Yeah, yeah. It's a mermaid bag. I don't know why. I don't know. Because they look stupid and I love them, I guess. Just gonna glue them all together like usual. Pick him some eyeballs. These'll do. Give him his little clams. Yeah, I think that works. Gonna go with the little purple zipper pull and figure out where I'm gonna stick him. Also try to decide what he's gonna be sitting next to. Maybe these. Now, I thought about just gluing him directly to the bag, but I thought if maybe I used some pins, you'd be able to reposition him or take him off the bag if you wanted to. His tail's still a little floppy, so I'm gonna add a pin there as well, and then just poke those through and stick the backs on. So he's attached to the bag, but also kind of not attached to the bag. If you want to use him for something else, I don't know. And then put the little purse strap on there. And there's that one. You know, they actually turned out better than I expected. I don't know. There's just something about turning everyday objects that you don't really think about too much into characters that's fun. And those 3 are already listed in the shop, as well as a lot of things. Went a little overboard this week. But I hope you guys had fun with this one. I will see you guys in the next one with something. But until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.